You know, Christmas to me, especially as a girl growing up in the country, the excitement was one thing, but then there was a whole other amazing celebration of the season that was taking place, and it was happening in nature. Where I lived, that part of the country that I was from, there were so many fruits that came into season. Well, let me back up a little bit. First of all, I start smell Christmas breeze from October. It's like there was a change in the atmosphere, and you could smell Christmas coming on. The whole atmosphere took on a different look. Certain certain flowers started to bloom, and the fruit trees, we had orange and tangerine and grapefruit and so many fruits that you wouldn't have at any other time of year would be in full season. But there was a particular grass that grew near my home. I don't know what the grass was called. I don't know if it's Pangola grass, but since I'm not a grassologist, I can't tell you what it named. But the truth is that this grass now would grow very tall, and it would have like a little blossom like. And you know what we used to do as children? We used to skate on the grass, you know. And you say, what kind of skate could take place? Yes, man, we never have snow and we never have ice skate, but trust me, we take the coconut bough, and they would cut the coconut bough, the dried coconut bough, in such a way, I think they used to call it coconut bunna. And then now you would sit on the coconut bunna, usually when, you know, at an incline, because the land used to slope. And then now you go at the top, usually toy, you know, and you stay on that coconut bunna, and you slide down on the top of the grass, right to the bottom. Well, you never exactly slide to the bottom, because halfway down you tumble over. So you pretty much kind of drop to the bottom. And you do that over and over again. And it was the greatest fun, and you squeal and you laugh when see now. You see, when night time come, and you have to bathe or wash your foot, Papa Jesus, that is when you say to yourself, never again will you ever go on a ride on that coconut bunna at Christmas time, because nothing no more aggravating than the scratch that come from grass. You scratch. No, I never say itch, because we never know word like itch. We say everything scratch. The grass, especially when water touch your skin, would have kill you. So we used to have a lot of fun at Christmas season, thanks to nature, and thanks as well to all the many persons, especially your parents, who made it very, very special for you. I remember one year, I did want one dolly, you know. But I don't know if dolly did scarce, or maybe my parents' money did scarce. I don't know, but something did scarce. Because me see one, it never even blew up. It was a flat plastic, rubbery looking something. And I was very disappointed, because me never know the song at the time, Santa catch up in a mango tree, but clearly Santa must have did catch up in a mango tree or something, because me never feel like Santa did reach me that day Christmas when me see this flat rubber plastic looking thing. But as it turns out, my dear, it was one of my best toys. I loved it. It was quite a novel thing at the time, but you had to blow it up. And it was a nice, you could blow up plastic beer. My very first teddy bear. It never have no warmth, but it was nice and big, and it was my own. Of course, by the end of the day, it did pop. Because I must have did hug you up too tight or something. But still, remember my plastic bear. Never get no dolly still, but it was good.